speed gun, radar gun.
Do you think they had those in medieval times?
No. Do you think they had armchairs to fire catapults from?
Good point.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, fire! Oh.
Oh, right in front of the camera.
Excellent.
I think that was perfect.
Good aiming. Imagine if you're behind your city walls and you just see that coming at you. Like, what is going on?
This is about to land in the graveyard of our tests.
Oh, the screen.
The screen lived.
Didn't break.
It remained intact. That is it's a smaller TV, which is why. But that is solid to survive that impact.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, fire! 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 Oh!
Wow.
I think. Do you know what? Do you know what? Right. Out of all, we've destroyed a lot of TVs, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think that's the most thoroughly destroyed a TV has ever been.
From one impact, that became hundreds of pieces. So we wanted to put a man in a chair and launch him. And this is the closest thing we could come to a dummy.
Yeah.
I think it's just a paint suit stuff.
Look at him.
He's clearly had a fantastic weekend.
He really has. I think he's been crying as well a little bit. Give him a nice beer.
Yeah.
Root beer.
Root beer.
And a grapefruit.
Why a grapefruit?
I don't know. Perhaps he wants a root beer and a grapefruit.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Good luck. Oh! Oh, he broke his back, his spine. He's already lost his beer and his grapefruit. It's such a funny shot.
Oh, man. If he had a spinal column, it'd be in pieces.
That looked uncomfortable. That really looked uncomfortable.
That looked horrific. His head's just wobbling around in his neck.
Oh, dear. That is unfortunate indeed.
Hi guys, click here to catch up on our latest adventures.
I barely survived, so I hope you like them.
Dan did complain a lot.
I do all the work.
Most of it. You do 90%.
I do all the work.
All right, fine.